Hey, I'm Chris, and I've made recent videos in the past such as my saw airsoft gun review, but today I'm going to give you a review on the new gun I got, the airsoft P90. This gun is very powerful in combat because it's it's bolt action, and when you're in an airsoft war, this is the gun to go to. Now, it's fully plastic, but it's alright because it's very good. First off, to load it, you simply stick a Nerf bullet in, cock it back, and fire. Now the trigger is up here, like on a real P90. Now, it is bolt action, but you can do slam firing. You aim this way and go like this. Now, this gun is very good in airsoft, and what's good about it is it has extra rounds for BBs or Nerf bullets. But while you're in a war, you're definitely going to want to get this bad boy. Now you can get this at Target, Walmart, or probably Toys R Us too. But when you get this, you should definitely ask your friends to have an airsoft war, because not only will you do good in it, but you'll get some bruises. Now the good thing about this gun is, on BB guns they just hit you and you get a little sting. But these ones, they don't hurt, but they stick onto you. Now, that's what's cool, and when it sticks onto them, it really weakens the enemy, and it makes them harder for them to play. So with the saw, it's good because it's automatic, but this one's more powerful and accurate. Alright, I hope you liked my airsoft gun review, and I'm Chris, and if you liked it too, post a comment. Alright, thank you.